Alright guys, well, it's the day I'm getting my new car in about the next 2 hours. So in the meantime, it's time to wash this baby up. Let's check out some of the beading we did apply on the outside of the car. Some Gyeon products. We have the Syncro Kit on the paint. So we'll check out the beading on that. We have the can coat on the windows, and we have the Gyeon rim on the wheels. So let's check out some of the beading. I think we've had this car just about almost a month now, and let's take a look. All right, so we're gonna do a rinseless wash on this car, but it's really pretty dusty. I know it's white and you can't see, but there is a lot of dirt and kick up on the vehicle from driving. So we're gonna do a rinse first, even though we're doing a rinseless wash. We wanna wash the dirt off. Let's check out the beading here. That's beautiful. Great hydrophobics on the windows from the can coat. As you can tell, we've got the awesome hydrophobics, awesome beading from the Gyeon Syncro Kit. Let's check out the wheels here. Oh yeah. Very, very nice. That's the Gyeon rim. And on the tires we have Gyeon tires. So excellent, excellent. Now I'm gonna get on with washing the car. I'm gonna finish rinsing it. We're gonna get all this dirt off there, and then I'll do a rinseless wash. Now the last product I used was the Wolfgang Uber Sio2, and I have put it into my bucket here. As you can see, the towels are ready to go. And all we have to do is, the car's been rinsed, so just do a quick rinseless wash. The Wolfgang has Sio2 in it, so it'll be a nice topper during the wash. Now, if I didn't rinse this car, I would be flipping this towel a lot more often, but since I rinsed it, we've knocked off all the top layer of dust. It's got some water for some lubrication, plus the product solution has lubrication and cleaning power. So we're going to do the whole front end first. You should see how easy these bugs came off here. Beautiful, looks fantastic. Very nice and clean. Very slick, super slick. Easy as that. All right, since the top is pretty much glass, I'm not really worried about scratching it too much. I'm going to continue using my towel that I wash with here first. Now I've got a fresh towel because I'm going to touch the paint. Now I've got all the top all the way down to the bottom of the windows. All right, now for the wheels, I'm gonna grab the ceramic quick detailer, spray that on. Got my wheel towel. And you're kind of doing this like a waterless wash. Show you one more time. All right, guys, if you want to get these fender wells, you can take your towel, you can spray some quick detailer on it, and you can wipe them. It's that easy. This is a dedicated wheel towel, so I'm not worried about it getting dirty. Now, for those of you that want to get deep inside there, you could probably stick your hand in there and do that, but it'd be easier just to pressure wash that or use a hose. But if you wanted to, I guess you could spray it in there and clean it. I'm not worried about it. I'll get it when I do a deep clean. This is not a deep clean. This is a facelift wash. And what about the door jambs? Well, you can get the quick detailer. I'm grabbing a rinseless wash that's been sitting in the rinseless wash there. I'll spray a little bit of spray here, come down, wipe, wipe. Grab another clean towel and dry. Do the same thing down here. Alright guys, so you're liking the video so far. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button and press the notifications bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out. This is our about 1 month update on the Tesla that we put the Gyeon Syncro Kit on. We did can coat on the windows and we did rim on the wheels. Now I am truly thinking this is one of my favorite coatings. It's a lot of work because it's 3 layers, but it's so slick. It's still slick as day one. And the reason I like that is because I can just rinse off all the dust like we did, grab my rinseless product, which is, today I used Wolfgang Uber Sio2 Rinseless Wash. Put a couple ounces inside this big bucket, soaked my towels with water in there, and I came out and I did a rinseless wash around the whole car. I dried the whole car. Very, very easy to do. SiO2 on top of a ceramic coating. That's a great rinseless wash combo. For the wheels, I used the Gyeon Ceramic Detailer, sprayed that on the wheels, and I used another towel to do like a waterless wash. Now it's basically just gonna get the faces of the wheels come out fantastic since they've got that rim coating from Gyeon on there. Very easy to clean. I also use this product on all the door jambs and the rear trunk. Spray it on the towel, go over it with a rinseless wash towel, or you could do a dry waterless wash towel, spray it and wipe it. I prefer the more lubricated way with a rinseless wash towel, and it's fantastic, guys. Now another thing you can use with this ceramic detailer is you could do your rinseless wash, spray the car some more, and dry it if you want that extra protection from there. With the Wolfgang, you can actually make a quick detailer that has SiO2 in it. So it could make something very similar to this as well. You could put it into a sprayer and you could just use this product without having to have multiple products. So the Wolfgang's another great product. I happen to have both, so why not use them both? The Syncro Ceramic Kit is just looking fantastic. So it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. And the car is very easy to clean. Any bugs that are on the front bumper, I mean, they came off with the hose basically. I didn't get a pressure washer out or anything like that. And the rest of the dirt just rinses right off. So super cool. Let me give you guys a look at the final result of my rinseless wash on the Gyeon Syncro Kit. The rim have shield and the glass have can coat. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Let's take a look at this.